This quick video is just to show you the chart that was up yesterday in math class when we were doing math, just the different strategies that are available. You could use manipulatives. You could use manipulatives. That's what the last video was showing, is how manipulatives can be transferred into writing on your paper. So that's what this is showing up here. It's just what manipulatives are doing when you are looking at each place value that is representing your total number and placing those into your groups. So that right there is one of the strategies you could use, is using your manipulatives. Braining Camp, doing the last video on paper. But then there's also our area model here. And since I didn't have any hundreds that I could place into the groups, I had to just drag that over, and I saw how many tens I could place into groups, and it was 5 of those 10s, which would be 50. So then you can see that I broke it down that way too, and it's showing that it's the same representation as though it's up here in the manipulative strategy. And then I also used partial quotients strategy as well, which is just another way to look at the area model. And so anyways, this video here is just to show you the strategies that are available that we have learned with solving our division problems. Make sure that you choose one of these when you go to do the quiz for the rest of our math lesson for today.